Hello everyone, it's Peter, your personal face exercise coach from FACEROBICS. Today I wanted to talk to you about whether you think the exercises will work for you or not. But first, please do remember to subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, go ahead and click the notification bell because that will tell you when I've uploaded a new video and you can go watch it and you can learn more of these great little tips that I give. So the reason why this topic has come up is because a lot of people will see the exercise on YouTube and then they'll ask me, well, I've got droopy eyelids, will this exercise help me? Or my nose is drooping, will this exercise lift it? Or I have saggy jowls, will this exercise lift my jowls? Now the reason why I'm talking to you about this today is a lot of people do ask it, and I hope that this video actually answers it. When you do a full face routine, and when you apply all the techniques and study the channel and all the things that I've given you on the channel, you have a very good opportunity of strengthening the muscles on your face. The only thing is that I'm not there working with you on a one-to-one level, so I can't tell what's actually going on with you. So when somebody says, I've got droopy eyes, will this help me? The only way it will help you is if you actually try to do the exercises and try to work the program. I really honestly cannot say, because if you've got droopy eyes, it could be an internal thing that's happening, it could be a physical thing that's happening, and it could be something that maybe facial exercise might not help. There are so many different reasons why the facial exercises don't help. There are hormones that drop in our bodies as women and men. There are diseases that we have. There's all sorts of things that create an environment of not supporting exercise. So sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Now the other thing is that people will say, well, you know, it's working on my eyes but not around my mouth. Well, I can attest to this myself because I've been doing the exercises for years, it's been working for me, but I've noticed over time that parts of me are aging and other parts aren't. It's the same thing. There may be things in my body that's happening. It may be hormones are dropping, the female hormones are dropping. And when this happens, it starts to affect your face. Also bone shrinkage. Bone shrinkage will start to make your lips look wrinkled. Now I need you to understand this, that when you're doing your facial exercises, even if you've been doing them and everything's going well, sometimes your body starts working in reverse because something internal is going on. Now when you find that's happening, please go and see a doctor. Get a blood test done or something that you can start to understand what's actually going on in your body. I know for me this is what's happening as well. As I age, things are changing in my body. And no matter how much facial exercise I do, I need to be aware of what's going on inside internally as well. Now facial exercise is such a wonderful, wonderful thing to help you take control of your aging process. I know it's done that for me. I feel very happy about the way I'm aging, although little things happen and I think, no, I don't like that, I don't like this. I know you all think that as well. So what we need to do is be sensible about it. We need to be level-headed. We need to keep doing the exercises because if you stop, it means that things will get worse. It's sort of like when you go to the gym that, let's say you get really fit and you're looking all perky, like everything's perky, and then all of a sudden you stop going. After a few months, what's going to happen? You're going to start losing your fitness, you're going to start going backwards, and your body is going to revert to what it would have been where you were at the age now. Your body doesn't revert to where you were when you started exercising. It will revert to what your age is now. This is the same with your facial exercises. So you need to keep going. If you find things are happening, go to the doctor and find out. If you think that an exercise may not work for you and you're asking me, well, I can't tell you, I'm sorry. I would love to say, yes, of course it's going to work. Go and do it. Yes, it's going to do it. I'd love to do that. But me being me, because I am honest, I'm an honest person, for me, I can't say whether it's going to work or not. So all you can do is go and give it a go. Run through the series. You've got 5 series there to run through every 6 weeks. Run through the series over that 30 weeks and see how it's worked for you. It might work, it might not. But all you can do is try. And that's what I love about facial exercise. I really love it. Because it's not going to hurt you, it's a natural thing to do, And this is your chance to do something naturally to help you take control of your aging process. You know I'm here to help you if things happen. You know there's a membership site that you can join. It's a very affordable price. You can join and you can have much more interaction with me, much more training and much more learning about facial exercises. So I have given you all of these things to help you with your success. Okay, so I hope that's helped you today. Please do remember to translate my videos. When you translate my videos, that means everybody will have a chance in your language to understand what I'm saying. Now, I don't speak Turkish, I don't speak Arabic, I don't speak French. I speak Australian, and I think I speak more Australian slang. If you can speak 2 languages, English, and you convert it into something else, go ahead and do it. The link is in the description box below, along with every other link to my channel, to my website, to my products, to Renew Me, to the FACEROBICS gym. It's all in there. All the other links are in there as well to the program. So go ahead, click on that link and translate my videos. I would love that. Alright guys, well thank you so much. I hope that's helped you today, and you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.